How to add welcome screen on Wix. I'm inside the Wix website editor, and if we want to add a welcome screen, we will first switch to mobile view right here by pressing on the phone icon, and right here you will see add to menu mobile tools. So we just want to click on mobile tools here, which is this option, and you will be able to see this welcome screen. Introduce your brand in a stunning welcome screen. So if we click on add to site here, then it will look something like this. We can add our image. So I've just clicked on image here. It will take us to the uploaded files. So just choose your logo or image and we will add to page. And now we can also add a logo animation here. So we can do fade in or spin in, something like that. And if we scroll down, we can also change the background color for our welcome screen. So we can do it pink or purple. And we can also do the background animation here if we want to add any. And after we have set this up, we can play the animation or preview it by playing or by clicking on this play button. And if we click on done, then we will have successfully added a welcome screen to our Wix website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.